Today I am reviewing this cordless ratchet. They sent me this to review and I thank them for that. It's super heavy duty, 74 foot-pounds of torque, nice long reach on it, fairly slim up here. Pretty heavy, I would say, very heavy towards the top. It's metal up here, it's not like aluminum or anything. You can switch which way you want it to go. You can see everything on there. Has a lock here and a nice, I like this big long trigger. You can use your whole hand with it. But the best part about it is if you already have a bunch of Dewalt 20 volt max tools, it'll work with those. This is an off-brand Dewalt battery, but it'll work with all of them. You can see it turning. It's very powerful. I can feel it in my hand. And it's nice, like you can press it down here, up here, reverse it. Comes with a small socket set with 2 adapters, and I think it goes up to, let's see, what's the biggest one? It has a little 3-inch extension, a couple sockets, which isn't nice to have, you know. So it goes from 17 millimeter down to 10. So you get a 10 in there, and you have your to go to 1/4 inch or to go up to 1/2 inch adapters, which is nice as well. So battery's dead on my little car, the 12 volt, and I'm gonna pull it out and we'll show you how. So I'm using the supplied socket. One thing I really like is you see here, it'll just slightly turn. So it has variable speed, it's not just on or off. So like, you don't have to just crank on something. So like these, battery terminal bolts, I don't wanna like just crank on them. They're not, I can just put a little bit. See, you can be gentle with it, which is nice. So just loosen those up. We'll put them over to the side. Then you pull off. And then there's 12 mil down there. I got a bigger extension for that. It's not included, but look at the. Loosen that up. Makes it a breeze. So easy to work on then. And that's that. This thing works great for automotive or DIY repairs, whatever. A lot easier than using a ratchet. I will say it's very strong. It is long and heavy, so it's not like gonna fit in super tight places, but it's more powerful than the other one I have, so it's super nice. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.